Hi everyone, I'm Arun Malve and welcome to the channel Gudshuis. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to screen record on your MacBook Pro using a simple keyboard shortcut. It's a great tip. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Gudshuis, hit the like button, share this video with others and tap the notification bell icon so you never miss an update. Alright, let's get started. Press the three keys together, Command Shift 5. Altogether, you will see a toolbar appears at the bottom of the screen. From this toolbar, you will have few options. You can capture a screenshot, record the entire screen, or record just a selected portion. For this video, we will be selecting record entire screen. And this will start recording. Once it's done, you can simply click on the stop icon in the menu bar at the top right corner of the screen. After you're done, your recording will automatically save to the desktop by default, making it easy to find. And that's it. It's that easy to record your screen on a MacBook Pro. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more tips and tricks right here on Gudshuis. Thank you.